Hello everyone. We will show you how to install and set up Agardio. This metering solution includes the following elements. Some single-phase meters 40 amps. Some single-phase meters 80 amps. Some three-phase meters 125 amps that can be converted into single-phase meters. Some three-phase meters 80 and 125 amps. And also the H3 Plus energy trip unit that enables to make some direct metering 160 and 250 amps. This metering solution also includes some meters which have a current transformer until 6000 amps, as well as some modular or flash-mounted metering stations. The complete metering solution is available with impulse output, Modbus, and M-Bus protocol.